हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर दें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम जून मंथ के टॉप 100 इम्पॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर्स MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Recently, US has launched which operation to destroy Iranian nuclear sites? And the answer is Operation Midnight Hammer. Second question. Recently, Iran's parliament has approved the closure of which key oil shipping route after the US bombed 3 of its nuclear facilities? And the answer is Strait of Hormuz. Third question. Which ministry launched the Gender Budgeting Knowledge Hub to support gender-sensitive planning across India? And the answer is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Fourth question. Which organization released the Performance Grading Index 2.0 report to access school education? And the answer is Ministry of Education. Fifth question. Which payment bank won the Digital Payments Award 2024-25? And the answer is Indian Post Payment Bank. Sixth question. Bhupendra Yadav launched the Gharial Species Conservation Program on 20th June 2025 by releasing 7 one-year-old gharial hatchling into which river? And the answer is Gerua River. Seventh question. Who inaugurated the opening of the Rashtrapati Tapovan and Rashtrapati Niketan in Dehradun? And the answer is Draupadi Murmu. Eighth question. Which country topped the medal tally of the Archery Asia Cup 2025? And the answer is India. Ninth question. Which Indian institute topped the QS World University ranking? And the answer is IIT Delhi. 10th question. Recently, Padma Shri awardee Aranya Rishi Maruti Chitampalli passes away the age of 93. He was awarded the Padma Shri in which year? And the answer is 2025. 11th question. Ustad Ghulam Nabi Shah was associated with which of the following folk music who passed away recently? And the answer is Kashmiri folk music. 12th question. Google has set up its first safety engineering center in which state of India? And the answer is Hyderabad. 13th question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of World Para Athletics Championship 2025? And the answer is Kangana Ranaut. 14th question. Who became the 5th Indian to slam a century on captaincy debut in Test cricket? And the answer is Shubham Gill. 15th question. Who will institute the Bhagwan Birsa Munda Prize to promote research and development of new drugs for treating sickle cell disease? And the answer is Government of India. 16th question. International Olympic Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 23rd June. 17th question. Which state became the first state in India to announce an officially yoga policy? And the answer is Uttarakhand. 18th question. United Nations Public Service Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 23rd June. 19th question. World Refugee Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 20th June. 20th question. Recently, Sahitya Academy announces Yuva Purushkar 2025 to how many young writers? And the answer is 23 young writers. 21st question. Who has officially begun his tenure as the chairperson of PFRDA? And the answer is Shiva Subramaniam Raman. 22nd question. What is the name of the mascot for 12th World Para Athletics Championship 2025? And the answer is Viraj. 23rd question. Who has been appointed as the director of IIT Kharagpur? And the answer is Professor Suman Chakrabarti. 24th question. Who has been appointed as the first dean of Queen's University Belfast Gift City campus? And the answer is Professor M. Satish Kumar. 25th question. Which Indian bowler became first Asian to claim 150 test wickets in Sena countries? And the answer is Jasprit Bumrah. 26th question. Recently, Carlos Alcaraz clinches second Queen's Club title. He belongs to which country? And the answer is Spain. 27th question. Which organization launched the Pratibha Setu to connect to candidates with private employers? And the answer is UPSC. 28th question. How many medals won by Indian para shuttler in the Asia Para Badminton Championship 2025? And the answer is 27 medals. 29th question. On which date World Rainforest Day 2025 is celebrated? And the answer is 22nd June. 30th question. Recently, a British Royal Navy F-35B Lightning II fighter plane made an emergency landing at which airport? And the answer is Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. 31st question. Which state has become the top performer in digital procurement through the government e-marketplace? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. 32nd question. Which state government has launched Maazi Vasundhara Campaign 6.0 to strengthen environmental conservation efforts? And the answer is Maharashtra. 33rd question. Bhashni is an artificial intelligence powered language translation platform developed by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. 34th question. Who is the head of the newly formed panel to reduce student dependency on coaching centers? And the answer is Vineet Joshi. 35th question. Which city is the venue of World Para Athletics Championship 2025? And the answer is New Delhi. 36th question. Which country hosted the Under-23 Asian Wrestling Championship 2025? And the answer is Vietnam. 37th question. Recently, who announced the ceasefire between Iran and Israel? And the answer is Donald Trump. 38th question. Which became the world's second largest reserve asset after the US dollar? And the answer is gold. 39th question. Recently, two-time Olympic medalist Lalit Upadhyay has officially retired from international competition. He is from which sports? And the answer is hockey. 40th question. Which state became the third fully functional literate state after Mizoram and Goa? And the answer is Tripura. 41st question. which city became the first net zero waste city of Uttar Pradesh? And the answer is Lucknow. 42nd question. Which person will become the first Indian to complete NASA's space program and selected for the 2029 space mission? And the answer is Jahanvi Dangeti. 43rd question. On 25th June 2025, who became the second Indian to go to space after 41 years? And the answer is Shubhanshu Shukla. 44th question. The Government of India has launched the Navya scheme to provide skill training to girls in the age group of 16 to 18 years in which state? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. 45th question. What is the rank of India in the Sustainable Development Goal Index 2025? And the answer is 99th rank. 46th question. Where was India's first off-grid 5 megawatt green hydrogen pilot plant commissioned? And the answer is Gujarat. 47th question. The Ambubachi festival is celebrated in which state annually? And the answer is Assam. 48th question. Who became the first Indian wicketkeeper to score a century in both innings of a test match? And the answer is Rishabh Pant. 49th question. In which country the international nuclear emergency exercise called Convex 3 is being held? And the answer is Romania. 50th question. What is the rank of India in the Global Peace Index 2025? And the answer is 115th rank. 51st question. Recently, which team won the ICC World Test Championship in 2025? And the answer is South Africa. 52nd question. Recently, who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? And the answer is Opal Suchata. 53rd question. RCB won the 18th season of IPL 2025 by defeating which team? And the answer is Punjab Kings. 54th question. The Kheer Bhavani festival is celebrated in which state or UT? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 55th question. Which country has launched Operation Web Spider to attack Russia? And the answer is Ukraine. 56th question. Recently, who has been appointed as the first Women Secretary General of the United Nations World Tourism Organization? And the answer is Sheikha Nasir Al Novis. 57th question. Which rank has been given to India in the recently released Climate Change Performance Index 2025? And the answer is 10th rank. 58th question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Economic Advisory Council to Prime Minister? And the answer is S. Mahendra Dev. 59th question. Prime Minister inaugurates the world's highest Chenab Railway Arch Bridge in which state or UT? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 60th question. Recently, how many countries joined UN Security Council for 2026-27? And the answer is 5. 61st question. Who has been honored with the Global Leadership Award by the US-India Strategic Partnership Forum? And the answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. 62nd question. Which country became the 101st WTO member to accept fisheries subsidies agreement? And the answer is Nicaragua. 63rd question. In which country the 51st annual G7 Summit 2025 will be held? And the answer is Canada. 64th question. Kaichen and Minar wetland of which state has been included in the list of Ramsar sites in India by 5th June 2025? And the answer is Rajasthan. 65th question. How many medals has been won by Indian wrestlers at the 2025 Ulaanbaatar Open Wrestling Ranking Series? And the answer is 21 medals. 66th question. On which date World Environment Day 2025 is celebrated? And the answer is 5th June. 67th question. India is setting up its first artificial intelligence special economic zone in which city? And the answer is Raipur. 68th question. Recently, who won the Norway Chess title 2025? And the answer is Magnus Carlsen. 69th question. Which company became the first e-commerce platform to get NBFC's license from RBI? And the answer is Flipkart. 70th question. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be included into the ICC Hall of Fame? And the answer is MS Dhoni. 71st question. India's first underwater museum will be built in state? And the answer is Maharashtra. 72nd question. Recently, the Indian Army contingent has arrived in the which country to participate in the 22nd edition of the multinational military exercise Khan Quest 2025? And the answer is Mongolia. 73rd question. Pachmadi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state which has been renamed as Raja Bhabut Singh Wildlife Sanctuary? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. 74th question. Which country placed the top position in Global Gender Gap Report 2025? And the answer is Ireland. 75th question. Recently, Katrina Kaif has been appointed as the Global Tourism Ambassador of which country? And the answer is Maldives. 76th question. Jagannath Rath Yatra 2025 is celebrated in which state? And the answer is Odisha. 77th question. Which of the following has overtaken Mumbai to become the leopard capital of India? And the answer is Bengaluru. 78th question. Who won the PSA Women's Young Player of the Season Award 2025? And the answer is Anahat Singh. 79th question. Rohini Gram Panchayat belongs to which state who recently won the gold medal at the National E-Governance Awards 2025? And the answer is Maharashtra. 80th question. Which country will host the 12th BRICS Parliamentary Forum in 2026? And the answer is India. 81st question. Portugal won the UEFA Nations League 2025 by defeating which country? And the answer is Spain. 82nd question. Which state government has established the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. 83rd question. World Ocean Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 8th June. 84th question. On which date World Brain Tumor Day is celebrated? And the answer is 8th June. 85th question. What has been the name of the test series between India and England recently changed? And the answer is Anderson Tendulkar Trophy. 86th question. Who has been appointed as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industry for 2025-26? And the answer is Rajiv Memani. 87th question. How many medals was won by India in 26th Asia Athletics Championship 2025? And the answer is 24 medals. Eighth question. Who recently became brand ambassador for Audi India? And the answer is Neeraj Chopra. 89th question. Which country will host the 8th Joint Military Exercise Shakti? And the answer is France. 90th question. Which country launched the Operation Rising Lion to hit Iran's nuclear sites? And the answer is Israel. 91st question. 51st G7 Summit 2025 was held in which country? And the answer is Canada. 92nd question. Which city has been selected as the national host for the 11th International Day of Yoga in 2025? And the answer is Visakhapatnam. 93rd question. What is India's rank in the WEF's Energy Transition Index 2025? And the answer is 71st rank. 94th question. Recently, ISRO has tested rocket launch in which district of Uttar Pradesh? And the answer is Kushinagar. 95th question. Which cybersecurity exercise has been recently launched by the Defense Cyber Agency? And the answer is Cyber Suraksha. 96th question. Who has been appointed as the new Managing Director and Head of Meta in India effective from July 1st, 2025? And the answer is Arun Srinivas. 97th question. World Wind Day 2025 was celebrated on which day? And the answer is 15th June. 98th question. As per ILO stat, social security coverage in India is projected to increase from 19% in 2015 to what percent in 2025? And the answer is 64.3%. 99th question. Which city has been nominated for UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? And the answer is Lucknow. 100th question. The Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh has launched border tourism activities at which place? And the answer is Shipkila. तो ये थे जून मंथ के टॉप 100 करंट अफेयर्स MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है वर्ल्ड ब्लड डोनर डे 2025 वाज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डे। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।